When it comes to motorcycle performance, one of the most exciting aspects is acceleration. Whether it's the quarter mile or the 0 to 60 acceleration, motorcycle brands have been battling it out over the decades for the prestigious title of world's fastest bike. In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 street legal production motorcycles in regard to 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration times. 11 motorcycles in total tied at a speed of 2.6 seconds, and hence, to make a top 5 video, I could only choose one of them for the 5th place. Although these motorcycles aren't included in the top 5, they also rightfully belong on the list. These include, in no particular order, the 2013 Honda Fireblade, the 2015 Yamaha R1, the 2015 Ducati Diavel, the 2014 Ducati 1199 Panigale, the 2013 BMW S1000RR and 2014 S1000R, the 2014 EBR 1190RX, the 2012 Kawasaki Ninja Zx 14R, and the 2006 ZX10R, and lastly, the 2014 KTM 1290 Superduke. All of these motorcycles clocked an equal speed of 2.6 seconds when accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour. There are many variables when determining acceleration time, such as the rider's skill level, launching technique, measuring equipment, track conditions, weather, air temperature, and even altitude. All of these bikes took the test from a standing start. The tests were conducted multiple times. Some of these times have been reported by the official motorcycle brand, and in some cases by motorcycle magazines. And without further delay, here are the top 5 fastest bikes in the world by 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration times.
Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price so y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all.
In the 5th place, the 2015 Kawasaki Ninja H2. This beast of a motorcycle is powered by a supercharged 998cc inline-4 engine, which produces 190 horsepower and 91 foot-pounds of torque, and it only weighs 529 pounds wet. This supercharged beast clocked a speed of 2.6 seconds. In 4th place, the 2002 Kawasaki Ninja Zx12R, powered by an 1199cc liquid-cooled inline-4 engine. It produces 161 horsepower, 91 foot-pounds of torque, weighing in at 545 pounds wet. The Ninja clocked a speed of 2.59 seconds. Surprisingly, faster than the 2015 Kawasaki Ninja H2. And now that we've reached the top 3, things begin to get a bit interesting. In 3rd place, the 2010 Yamaha V-Max, powered by a 1679cc liquid-cooled V4 engine, producing 174.3 horsepower, 113 foot-pounds of torque, and weighing 694 pounds wet. The 2010 Yamaha V-Max clocked a speed of 2.5 seconds. In 2nd place, unsurprisingly, the notorious, the 2002 Suzuki Hayabusa, powered by a 1299cc inline 4-cylinder engine, which produces 155.9 horsepower, 95.5 foot-pounds of torque. The Suzuki Hayabusa weighs 560 pounds wet. This particular 2002 Suzuki Hayabusa recorded an astonishing speed of 2.47 seconds, putting it in second place. And finally, the one we've all been waiting for, the king of acceleration, the elegant and agile 2006 Suzuki Gsxr 1000. Powered with a 999cc inline 4-cylinder engine which produces 147.3 horsepower, 75.4 foot-pounds of torque, weighing only 439 pounds wet. The Suzuki Gsxr 1000 clocked an incredible speed of 2.35 seconds,